Imagine this scenario. You are fast asleep, and smoke begins to fill your home. What is the one crucial device designed to wake you and your family, giving you precious minutes to escape? Ensuring it is installed correctly is paramount for your safety. For optimal protection, wall-mounted smoke alarms should be installed with the top of the alarm between 4 and 12 inches from the ceiling. This placement allows the device to effectively detect smoke, which rises and collects at the ceiling before spreading horizontally. The reason for this specific placement comes down to the science of smoke itself. Smoke is hot and buoyant, meaning it rises. As it rises, it spreads out along the ceiling. If a smoke alarm is mounted too close to the ceiling, within 4 inches, it might miss early detection because of a small pocket of dead air that can form in the very corner where the wall meets the ceiling. This is why giving it a little space, up to 12 inches, helps it catch that rising and spreading smoke more efficiently. When installing your alarms, consider rooms with vaulted or sloped ceilings as well. In these areas, place the alarm within 3 feet of the highest point, but not in the apex of the vault, again to avoid that dead air space. For standard rooms, simply measure down from the ceiling to ensure the top edge of the alarm falls within the recommended 4 to 12-inch range. Always ensure there is at least one smoke alarm on every level of your home, including the basement and inside every bedroom, as well as outside each sleeping area. Beyond just height, remember that interconnected smoke alarms offer superior protection. When one alarm detects smoke, all alarms throughout your home sound, giving everyone the earliest possible warning, even if the fire starts far from their sleeping area. This system greatly reduces the time it takes for occupants to become aware of a fire and initiate their escape plan, making it a critical safety upgrade. By correctly positioning your wall-mounted smoke alarms and understanding the simple principles behind their effectiveness, you are taking a vital step in creating a safer environment for everyone in your home. This proper placement, combined with regular testing, ensures your alarms are always ready to perform their life-saving duty, providing you with the peace of mind that comes from being truly prepared.